We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Trap in a code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pin a fold, never tell me killer fold. Everybody coming from the hood, so na kinapo. Everybody stacking by the same, cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same plot. Living in a prison. Yeah.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Coming with a ski max, bitch with a feedback. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get, and we ain't fit, I can't get in here, we getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere, the bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money
Money in the airline. We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there. T Young, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Turn up, turn up. Young, hey, hey, catch him with the pitching. With the whipping petition.
I got no ambitious visit, so I question my intention.
We throwing money
Let's
in
get
the
it.
airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
In there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
All right. It's another great year, 2026. We are off to a great start. We are off to a great start in the morning, 10 a.m. January 4th, first Sunday, Money Sunday of the year. Like, man, y'all can't be more hyped than this, man. I know I'm hyped.
Oh my God!
That took a little while. My sound effects was tripping. Welcome to another Sunday where we going crazy. It's gonna be a great year, y'all. It's gonna be a great year. I'm excited. I'm more than excited. Like, man, you know what makes a new year, amazing? What's up? What makes it a great year or a new year amazing is that we are starting over fresh. F what happened last year. This is a new year. We're gonna go harder. We're gonna put in our best. We're gonna get to that money, right? We're gonna get to that money. I shout out to the smoothie I made this morning. This is mango and watermelon, and I think pomegranate juice. So just gives you all the energy. Let me keep up all this energy throughout the stream, yo. So what I am expecting is to have a great stream. I'm expecting to have a great stream.
What the hell? Oh my God! No way!
All right. Let's get it. You know how I like to start off every live stream. I like to ask what happened in the market in a previous. But let's check out let me switch it up right quick. I'm gonna check out the calendar right quick, right? We're gonna check out the Forex calendar, Forex Factory calendar, and see what's going on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to check out the Forex Factory calendar, and then I'm gonna ask ChatGPT what's going on in the market, what to expect this week. I see that we have the manufacturing, MPI dropping this Monday. Then we have non-farm employment change. We have the job openings, unemployment claims, early in the month on Thursday, and then Friday We have average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate. So it's going to be a kind of chaotic week starting off. And also, I know we have a little bit of earning STZ. STZ's dropping their earnings. Calman Foods is dropping their earnings too. Let's see. The last 6 months, it's been just selling off. STZ last 6 months also has been having a rough patch, but is it gonna continue to push above that? Or let's see. Wazam gang, Wazam Sam. All right. So that's pretty much it. Let's ask everybody what to expect this week, what to look out for. Because I like asking AI because it's our tool. Right? Use a tool to its best ability. Don't go reading 20 articles. I can get a quick summary of what's going on in the job market. In the stock market by asking ChatGPT, like what's happening, what is happening in the stock market this week. Give me a quick summary from Azam gang. Azam with it. Okay. U.S. stock market. Okay. Make it. I want it a short summary, gang. I ain't got time for all that. I'm trying to get to the charts. Man. I need to clear my mic. The U.S. market starting the year cautiously. U.S. major indices are modestly positive to slightly mixed as trading resumed after the holidays. Geopolitical news and affecting segment. President Trump announces about the U.S. involvement in Venezuela control and airstrike has introduced geopolitical risk that's causing some volatility and attention from investors this week. Market performance is set up. Stocks rallied on the first trading day of the year, consistent with the optimism for grinding a higher high, trending in the classic Santa Claus rally. Didn't materialize later December. On individual stocks, some small micro names such as Niche tech firms experienced strong moves. What is this? Niche. Let's see. Niche. Stop. And it's like way less than a penny. All right. Not all gains held. Key data and watch U.S. job data is dropping this week. I also told y'all this is major market mover. This could drive volatility and influence expectation and interest rates. Quarterly earnings season is approaching. Start mid-June. Hey, it's early. It's pronounced niche. Thank you for correcting me, sir. Thank you for that. Investors are looking for guidance from big tech and other sectors. So broader context, global markets ended 2025 on a solid footing with strong annual gains, especially in the tech AI. Hey, subscribe to him. Hey, appreciate it. Christopher. But markets cautious early in 2026 as traders wait for new economic data, which is dropping this week, which is what could, kind of foreshadow what's going to be happening towards the whole year. But the markets don't work like that, Every month's its own unique. Every year is going to be on unique. So let's see how 2026 rolls out. By short summary, U.S. is starting the year cautiously with major indices mostly flat or to slightly higher as trading volume remains high after the holidays. Investors are watching upcoming U.S. Jobs data, which could move markets, while global tensions add some uncertainty. Overall segment is to wait and see ahead of what the earnings season later this month. Okay, cool. Y'all got that. What's on with it? We early today with the money Sunday. Now I'm about to get into my favorite part. Let's see. Let's go here. Oh man. This is a Mag 7. So what I do, I like to mark up the Mag 7. And if you ask me, what is the Mag 7, right? Let's go to YouTube. Hoser. I'll go Iran. Hoser. Let's go to the shorts. I hope I don't get a copyright. So I'm going to explain what a Mag 7 is.
28% of America's. The Magnificent Seven are 7 tech companies which make up 28% of America's total market capitalization as of 2025.
See, they make up 20. Go back. Let's go back to that. 28%.
Which make up 28% of America's total market capitalization as
market
of 2025. They're magnificent because in 2024, over half of the entire S&P 500's growth was from these 7 stocks alone.
That's all I gotta tell you. Go subscribe to Hoser. He be going into all country economics, getting into that good data. So go give him a like and subscribe, man. He's a good YouTube video if you want to learn about other countries and what's going on a political, what's going on in those countries. So see, he can provide that, insight. Me, I provide the stock insight. Let's go back to the Mag 7, right? So this is where I marked it up last week. So what I like to do is I like to clear up all the markups. I like to clear up all the markups for the Mag 7 each week. And I have a trading list. I also like to clear that up, Each week you go into, you want to have a fresh, clear mind, you want to have a fresh, clear mind. So this is also my watch list. Where's my trading list? My trading list too. No, wait. I was clearing the wrong list up. I was in my trading list. So my trading list is a list of stocks that are in play. What I mean, stocks that are in play, I mean stocks that are at a good support level. They're about to break that support level, or they're about to break below support or break above resistance. So if a stock is near support and resistance, that's a good level to look at it, and my stock might be in play. That's why I would add it to my trading list. But let's start off with the monthly outlook on Meta. I know Meta reported weak earnings. They were expecting higher earnings, but they did not. Is the AI collapse going to happen in 2026, or are we going to continue to see AI push higher highs in the tech world? So Meta kind of ended the last month. Had the last few months, last 1, 2, 3, 4 months were tough. Kind of don't know where it wants to go or up. So we're seeing a lot of unclear direction in Meta. Like there's, just look at this one rally. It happened when it dropped its dividends, and then what? It did not held. All them gains did not held. So, and this only happened one day. Look at that. Look at this 1 day candlestick. But I'm also still seeing, my thing is, I'm still seeing this right here. I'm still seeing this resistance right here and support, and price has not broken that support. Hold on, let me help y'all out so I can see everything. Boom. Oh yeah, that looks better. So yeah, the resistance. Let's go on the 4 hour, see what's going on in a smaller time frame. It's going on 1 hour. I just think a similar viewpoint, you know. But you see, there's like between this between this it's bouncing between the support and resistance level, right? We had a few bounces, and Meta's holding the support level on the smaller time frame as well. But I can see that every time price is broken above this level right here on a smaller time frame, has popped back to that resistance. So maybe there might be a chance that price might go back to this level after testing the support level and want to go back to that 680. So this is like, think about it, this could be a 24-point play, right? So be on the lookout for those buys. And price every time is above this level, breaks above it, we're gonna be safer. I'll call it right there. Price above there, it wants to push and buy above to the 680 level. That's what I see on Meta. Not too crazy. Let's go to Microsoft. This is Microsoft. Past few months, we're seeing it dip. Seeing that dip. Boom. You can see like price on the weekly had this support level right here, and it finally broke through it, but it price kind of rallied back, but it's saying that we are continue to go down. So now, see, we had the support level, price finally broke it. Now we're continuing to see that the continuation on the downside might continue on the long term. So that was our new resistance. So support could turn into resistance, and resistance can turn into support, but depending on where price is at. And we can see that price right now is holding this new level of support, kind of old, but let's go ahead and mark that right quick. This is our new level of support. This is our new level of resistance. And we go down to the 4-hour time frame, as you can see that price definitely was pushing. Did I put resistance? Price was pushing the resistance, but did not have a lot of volume. And then after the holiday breaks, all this low volume, after the holiday breaks, price finally sold off. Now our job is to kind of see if we can get in. Let's see if we can get in below this support. Maybe price, you know, there's more down movement, you know, price definitely, if he wants to sell off some more. Look at this, sell off some more. So there could be more sell off. So we're going to be on the lookout for that. So Microsoft, see, and then let's go in a smaller time frame, see what's going on in a smaller time frame. Someone hit me up. Do that. All right, boom. As you can see, Wazam, Gabri. Now we got here over here. Giving all this detail. And then boom, you have Tesla, right? Tesla. I also saw a sell, man. I was looking at it. Oh man, I missed the sell. It's tough. But see right here. Price broke this, and damn. Yeah, this resistance. Now, see, price failed to break that. Now, this is our resistance. Now, price is back into this level of support here, back in this range. Price fell back in this range. Guess what? You can trade it in the range, you know, as long as it makes sense. Like right now, look, you could see that. Okay, price. message. All right. So we see Tesla selling off into this range. Like man, ooh, I saw it. I saw it. I was like, man, Tesla's about to sell off because I saw price kind of push below this. I was like, damn, it's a perfect opportunity. But guess what? Hindsight is 2020. Just have to focus on what you have to focus on. So I look at Tesla. Let's go back to Google. Now Google has been having a great months, but I see that Google's showing signs of weakness, especially on the past 2 months. The past 2 weeks, we've seen that Google is trying to push this and failing on a daily. Break this right here. Yeah, break. As you can see, it's like this level of support. Level of support wants to break. Let's see, we're seeing a lot of weakness. Let's go on the 4-hour. See much clearer. Got this level of support right here. It's daily support. I have to go in the 4 hours to kind of clarify. You see it, looks clean. Say our resistance is over here. Now, daily support, and then our resistance over here. Price tested level. Let's go on the 4 hour. As you can see, on a 1 hour. I like the 1 hour. Oh yeah. Clearly mark this right here. Little resistance within our range. Is price going to want to push above this level, or you going to want to push below? So I sold right here on Friday. Last Friday, I got smacked. My SL got smacked so hard. I ain't even tripping. I'm always looking for another opportunity. Hold on. All right, let's see. Yep. All right, sorry, I got distracted. Oh no, oh no. There we go. Okay. Hopefully I was not muted because that would suck balls because I've been talking this whole time. But that's how I really look for some. And I just like let's look at the monthly. Oh yeah, I just like the way it's pushing. I just like that price action, man. I just like the price action, that breakthrough. And that's all I want to do. But before we go, we have some back testing to do. My first back test of 2026. Let's get it. You know what time it is, man. Price is falling off a cliff. Boom, you know. Dang, it's been a couple weeks since I back tested, man. Sheesh. I'm about to go stupid dummy. I'm about to go stupid dummy, baby. I'm about to go stupid dummy. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Boom, 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 boom. We see it. We see it. I'm excited, though. I'm kind of excited. Let me play a little bit of give y'all some chill music while y'all see me back test. You know, while y'all see me back test. No copyright, bish. Do it. Get the study music on. I'm about to lock in. I'm about to make 600,000. This gonna be my best testing session ever. I call it. Believe it. So, see that price is this support level right here. Boom. Got this resistance here. I'm gonna mark it. Boom. Boom. Let's hit it with the 4-hour ski. And it's Friday. I don't know, 1 hour. Short-term support. You got short-term resistance. Got Monday. Man. Price. What price does. Starting off the year with a sale. First back test. You know, I'm gonna be modest from 1 to 4. Why not? Okay. Confirm that. Price can continue downward. I'm closing. First dub of the year. Woo! Back testing legend is back. But back test for like, hold on. Hello. Better. I have to do better. Can we not? God darn it. Become a millionaire. Okay. Close my eyes at break even. Go, bitch, go. Fuck it, I'm not missing out on 100,000. Ah! 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 I gotta become a millionaire, man. Ah! I thought I was doing something. I ain't doing shit. All right. Everybody trying to get rich. Mm. All right, it's my last week. Let's make it count. See some short term. Immediately stomped out. Market bullshit. You think you get to me? You market bullshit-o? Let's double that. Let's go for 80 grand. Okay. This one is the one. Scared a little bit.
Rich millionaire.
Ah, I need. I'm not mad.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah.
He went there. He sure did. A cloud right here. Click cloud. Oh, it's okay. That's it for me though. Boom. Let's get it. How y'all like that back testing though? Not this BS. How y'all liking that back test though? Oops. Boom. Boom. Let's get it. 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 Woo! Another great live stream, bro. I'm really just happy we're back in 2026. Y'all saw my first live. Bro, you saw how aggressive I was. I'm trying to get to that bag. I'm trying to get to it. I'm trying to get to it. I don't know why to get into my way. Hey, looking at. All right, we about to go. We about to do great things in 2026. Like, that was our first live stream. We went an hour and 40 minutes, almost 2 hours of me just going at it. But I appreciate y'all for all the love and all the glory. We about to be great in 2026. Bumbleclad, we are out of here. Only you know who. Uganda for Rich Millionaire. But you know what that means, man. Time to get me out of here. Roll the outro music. Uganda Force. Uganda Trades is out of here.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money.